There is nothing. But when they saw Jesus, and Jesus told them, this the word of Jesus told them, throw your nets in the other side. And then when they threw the nets in the other side, when they dragged the nets, when they tried to get the net back to the boat, it is with thousands of fish. My friend, surely God will supply all our needs today. The things that we really need every day. Maybe today you need healing today. Ask God, ask Jesus, Lord, you are my great healer. Help me, Lord. Touch me, Lord, that I will be healed. Lord, I need a job. Guide me, Lord, that I can find a job. Guide me, Lord. Give me the wisdom. Give me the knowledge. Lord, bless my YouTube channel. Bless my Facebook page. Bless my family. Lord, guide my children. Bless them, Lord. Lord, bless my marriage. Come to God. Come to the Lord, and let our God will supply our need. God will supply our need. This is the blessing of the Lord is like a river. It keeps flowing. It keeps supplying our needs. When we share, when we give, and then continuously God will supply your need today. God will truly provide your needs. We just need to believe. Remember when